So when you're on the sound effects slideshow and you get to the last page, so first you have all of these details you're going to put in, but you're also going to want to have the sound selection so that it's easy for your audience or your teacher to grade it. So first you want to have a picture for your sound. So if you're looking for, let's say, a doorbell, you would go to the picture option and go to search the web and just find something that works. So if you want to find an actual doorbell, okay, maybe you want it to look like a modern doorbell. So you hit insert, and there you have a doorbell. And you can make it just a little smaller so that it doesn't fill the whole page. Once you have that, find your sound effect. So I found here a doorbell sound effect on YouTube. And if I play it back, that sounds perfect. So I'm going to copy that image, or sorry, copy that sound by hitting Control C. And then when I go back to my picture, I'm going to select this insert link option or hit Control K. And I can just paste in Control V the link that I made. And so now when someone clicks on that image when they're watching the presentation, it will take me directly to the sound. Okay, and so that's what you want to do with all of your sounds. Okay.